At the beginning of the year, we were able to start with a clean canvas for our landscaping, and you'll want to subscribe and follow along for this major transformation of everything we've done ourselves. It's very DIY friendly, and at the end we will even need your input for what you would do for our last section. We needed to start with our front pathway to not walk through mud and have the front be appealing and welcoming. I designed this round cobblestone pathway with a fountain in the center and then smaller grass areas that would be easier to maintain versus having everything be grass. And here's how it's currently looking. It turned out almost exactly according to plan. We just need to add some more plants and foliage along with landscape lighting. This area of our yard is the most viewed from the street since we're on the corner. That meant I wanted to fulfill my dreams of having a full flower field and grew zinnias from seed that totally thrived and became such a beautiful view for the neighborhood. I designed it at first having these L-shaped sections with the pathway going through it, which is what we started out with, but as these zinnias grew, they actually took up and truly took off in this whole corner. So you can't even walk through it at the moment, but that's something that we will work on better in the spring. But it was truly so much fun for the whole neighborhood and for our neighbors and friends to take part in, and giving flowers was my favorite part of it. Next, we built our raised garden beds to form our walk-through garden. We built 8 beds that are each 3 by 9 feet and ended up only filling 4 of them with vegetables this year, and we'll add flowers into the other 4 next year. For this area, we knew we wanted a chicken coop and thought the best spot for it would be to build it around our pecan tree and next to our pomegranate tree to provide shade and shelter and also give us a really unique chicken run that would look more appealing and not have to take up as much space. The end result is pretty close to the original design, and we plan on adding ducks in the spring, so any additions or changes we make, we'll be sure to bring you along. This is the back of our house where we spend most of our hangout time. The kids play on our playground, which we built, and we knew we wanted to make this our biggest grass area, but we didn't want it to be boring. So we tried to design it with rounded edges, and we used a rock-looking cinder block instead of pouring concrete, which gives it a really classic and timeless look, and we absolutely love how it turned out. We have a long row of grapes on the left. I added zinnias to the right, and I will probably do more permanent landscaping right there since those are going to die out in the fall. And then with our playground, we added wood chips, which we got from our landfill actually. It was $5 for an entire load, and so it took 2 loads to fill all of that in. We want to add blueberries and just more plants. You can see that it's such a big difference than what it was. This area in front of our shed is ideal for having a patio with chairs and making it our official hangout section because it gets really good shade all day long. So I designed this large paver patio that we wanted to build with a fireplace and sofas, but with everything we've tackled so far this year, right now we're using it as our fire pit area, and we'll hopefully build something a little more permanent later on. For this last section of our yard, we need your help with ideas. It's kind of become a catch-all for all of our large yard tools, and building some kind of storage would be really helpful. Originally, I had planned to extend all of our flowers and roses and building some kind of privacy trellises along the fence and having the pathway just go right through it. But now that we have kind of finished all of our other major projects, we feel like we could utilize the space better, maybe with a greenhouse, with storage, maybe a large patio or some kind of deck. This year we ended up just using it for pumpkins. We grew pumpkins for the first time, and it was actually so much fun since we had nothing else going on this side of the house. But we decided that next year we're probably going to utilize this space a lot better. So tell us what you would do. What can we do to utilize it, make it appealing, and continue with the flow of going around our whole yard? This year was a busy one with tackling our landscaping, but we did it all ourselves and hope this gave you some confidence to tackle your dream yard as well. Let us know what you want to know more about and click here to watch more of our DIY videos. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.